Thinking of staying at Secrets Tulum? This is Jack with Vacationies, and I'm going to give you a tour of a Preferred Club Junior Suite swim out. So as you enter the room, let's take a look what it looks like. Now, as you enter the room, the first thing on your left is the bathroom. Now, this bathroom is huge. As you can see, it's kind of an open concept. You have two sinks, 2 mirrors. Pretty cool open concept here. But over there is the shower. So again, that is as open concept as you can be. Gigantic shower. As you can see, there is a rain head. There's a little handheld, nice little bench over here. This is a big shower. Have some hooks for your robes. You also have a private toilet room right here. Now, your storage, it looks like, is right here in the bathroom area. So you have a dresser, you have some shelves, and it's all open storage right here. There's again some more shelves. Now in this, I guess we would call it a closet, an open closet concept. Boho chic, cool. You have your robes and you also have your slippers. You also have your beach bag, and that's also a gift you can take with you, not the towels, but the bag. And you have your hair dryer, and in case you want to have your laundry done, which is not part of the all-inclusive, you also do have the laundry bag. In the bathroom, again, you do have your amenities. So if you need anything, it looks like there's bug spray, there's soaps, there's towels, there's other towels here. In the shower, you do have amenities as well. If you want a bar of soap, just feel free to call into housekeeping and they'll bring that for you as well. You do have a thermostat, so if you'll make it warmer or cooler, you can. There's also a ceiling fan. This is a king bedded room. So as you can see, here's your king bed. You have lighting. And I think what I just saw is as I came into the room, there's a motion detector and it puts that lighting on that's under the bed. Now, right next to the bed, you have your controls. Now what's nice here is you do have your phone. You also have a USB as well as some outlet, and here's a reading light. Here's your remote control, and as you can see, you do have a lot of different channels to watch on the TV. So you can sit in bed, and if you want to watch TV, there's plenty to watch. Now you have a bench. When we checked in, as you can see, there's a bottle of sparkling wine. On the other side of the bed, you do have controls as well. 1 outlet, actually 2 outlets, and another USB and a reading light. Really nice decor in here. Again, you can feel like you're in Tulum. There's outlets throughout the room, so if you happen to be plugging anything in, you're fine with that. And here is your TV. It's a pretty big screen TV. Now you have a desk, coffee machine. Let's see what's in here. My guess is it's our mini bar. So again, you do have in the fridge, you have beer and some sodas and water. And then down in here, they do have a wine cooler. I guess there's no wine in here right now, but you can bring your wine back. And again, here is your coffee machine. Now, behind the desk, you also do have 2 USBs, 1 outlet, and some lighting. And again, a pretty big TV. Now, again, I did say this is a swim out room, so let's go outside and let's see what the swim out's all about. Okay, so here's our swim out. Here is a lounge to be on, so you can bring your towels out here. There's the swim out. You have some seating out here. And as you can see, right over there is the Preferred Club pool. So you have a shared swim out here. Right by the Preferred Club pool, there's a Preferred Club lounge and bar, the Grotto. There's a restaurant there. They had really good pizzas. They had grilled items and top shelf liquor. So again, this is the Preferred Club swim out pool. Okay, I'm going to take you on a tour of the room that you, the bride and groom, should have. So this is a Preferred Club Master Suite swim up. This room is gigantic. So let's take a look at this room. What's really nice here, look at this. You have a private bathroom. So this suite is 1.5 baths. So as you walk in, look at this. Can you imagine hosting your wedding party here? They'll have you set up for whatever your special treats are when you come in, but look how large this room is. So let's take a look. We've got this gigantic bed, a little sofa area here, the desk. And again, this is a master suite, king bed only, and will only allow 2 people even though they have a sofa bed. Well, look what they've done with the TV. It hangs from the ceiling. So you have plenty of room here if you want to put your gift bags together, invite your bridesmaids in. And then over here, as you can see, this is also a swim out. So let's look outside. It's just a lot more space. I would say you have double the amount of space outside. And here's your swim out. It's on the end, so it's a little bit more private, but it is a shared swim out with other rooms, as you can see. Hello, hello, you can hear the echo. So here you have a shower with a rain head. It's almost like the size of a hotel room, with a bench, your controls, your amenities. Don't worry, I know there's glass there, no one's looking in. Then you have a bathtub in this area as well. You have the sinks, very cool, one on each side. You have area for your robes. Here's your toilet room in here. So you actually have 2 toilets and your dressing area and your storage again. Standard Secrets amenities, your robes, your slippers, your pool bag, hair dryer, and of course what everybody needs, a scale on your destination wedding. So again, this is a preferred club, master suite, swim out. I'm going to show you one more room. Now this one's really going to blow your mind. This is a preferred club, master suite, rooftop. So let's take a look at this. It's a rooftop pool. So let's take a look around this room. As you can see, when we walk in the room, you thought the other room was big. This is gigantic. So here you have a sofa sitting area. This is perfect for a bride and groom to host an event in if you want. But let's take a look around. You have a dining room table. You have beautiful views. Now this room does not have a swim out, but I'm going to show you something even more amazing than that. So as you see, you have a dining room area, a living room area, and here's your bedroom area. Pretty cool. Again, you have your TV and your desk with the mini bar. And because you're in preferred club, there'll be additional snacks for you. Now let's take a look at the bathroom area. Okay, look at this. So you have this gigantic bathroom. You have a dressing area and storage here. Have your dressing area here. What a great area that you can get made up in before your wedding. And again, look at this gigantic bathroom. So you have a bathtub, and look at this. 2 shower heads. Handheld shower head. And again, just because there's glass here, don't worry, no one's looking in your shower. But look at this little bathroom area. And there's a toilet room back there as well. Now, I'm going to show you one of the most amazing things as part of this room. Okay, look at this. Look at this pool. This is all yours. So this is the rooftop pool on the master suite. Look at this area over here. You have your own private bar, plenty of sitting space, and you have your private pool. So you can talk to the wedding planners about, can you do any events up here, host a private party. And this is all part of the master suite preferred club rooftop pool room at Secrets Tulum. Now, one of your options at Secrets is actually coming over to the beach club, and you can stay at Casa Zama. So let's take a look at a room at Casa Zama. We're going to look at a junior suite oceanfront at Casa Zama, which gives you the amenities of Secrets plus the benefit of being on the ocean. Now this is what it's all about at Casa Zama. This is where the Secrets Beach Club is, but as you can see, I'm in a junior suite oceanfront, and you can see the ocean is legitimately less than 50 feet from my room. So you do have your own private balcony here. But let's take a look at the room again. This is a junior suite oceanfront. Every room here is slightly different. So those stairs actually do not go anywhere. They just look cool. You have a bathtub in the room. And here you do have a mini bar, a fridge, and they'll provide the snacks. The amenities are very, very similar to the amenities you'll have over at a preferred club room at the main Secrets. So you can see this is a king size bed. Very cool. You have the outlets, remote controls, USB. So you're always in communication. If you've stayed in Tulum before, as you may know, there are hotels here charging thousands of dollars a night that have no electricity, no air conditioning, which you have here, and no fans. You do have a TV. In the evening, when they do your turn down service, they will put your robes and slippers out. And let's take a look at the bathroom. So you have a single sink back here and a toilet room back here. And there are your robes, a little bit different than the other robes. And here's pretty cool shower rooms. If you go in the shower room, you have one single shower head, some natural light, and a big area in here. So as you can see, it's a fairly nice room, beautiful ocean front. And again, this is the Secrets Casa Zama, Villa Zama, Junior Suite oceanfront room as part of Secrets Tulum. We're at the beach club, so as a guest over at the main hotel, you have access to the beach club here. Well, that's been a tour of the rooms at Secrets Tulum. I've shown you a couple different room categories. Hopefully you want to have your destination wedding here. Feel free to give us a call at Vacationies. We can help you plan your destination wedding here at Secrets Tulum. And thanks for watching my videos.